Welcome back, future medicos. This is something urgent, particularly for candidates who are looking for applying to Kerala MBBS. As probably you all know, Kerala has opened the applications much earlier, even before the NEET exam was conducted and the applications has closed. So many of you who have missed the application deadline, they all started contacting me asking whether Kerala will reopen the application. Now Kerala has reopened the application, but the only thing is it has been open only for 4 days. In fact, I just noticed 2 days has gone. So you still have only 2 days to apply, right? The last date to apply is 18 September, 4 p.m. So in case if you have not applied to Kerala, please rush, do it immediately. So you can see here, this is the notification from Kerala, KEAM 2021. Candidates can submit fresh applications and add courses for admission to architecture, medical and medical allied courses. So right now, the website is open for new applications as well as those candidates who have applied earlier, but maybe they didn't include medical courses, they can add now. So fresh online applications are invited for admission to architecture and medical allied courses, including MBBS and BDS in the state from candidates who have not yet submitted applications to the Commissioner for Entrance Examination under KEAM 2021. In case if you have submitted already, don't do anything now. You cannot submit another application. Okay, if you have already submitted, that's fine. Just leave it. This is only for those who missed the first time when the applications were open. For them, now the window is open. Okay, please be careful. Don't submit 2 times. For medical and medical allied courses, only those who have appeared in NEET UG 2021 conducted by NTA will be considered. So it is understood, wherever you want to get MBBS or BDS seats, you need to have NEET UG score, right? So you should have appeared for NEET UG, then only you can apply. The facility for online submission of fresh applications and addition of courses to the already submitted application form will be available in the website cee.kerala.gov.in. cee.kerala.gov.in from 14th September to 18th September 2021, 4 p.m. Okay, right now it is 16 September, almost like midnight. So 18 September, 4 p.m. You have less than 2 days. So please rush and finish it. How to apply? To submit fresh applications, they must register through the link KEAM 2021 new application provided in the website cee.kerala.gov.in. Okay, so this is the website. So in case if you want to know more details about these, I have done a video earlier when the first time Kerala has opened. I have spoken about a lot of details there. You can go and check that video. I will provide a link to that video in the description below. You can check that. Now what I will do is I will just show you where to go. So you have to go to cee.kerala.gov.in. Right now I am on that website. And then you go there, the second link. Okay, don't open the first link. Look at the second link. It says KEAM 2021 new application. So click the new application. And then once you come to this page, you can see here, if you are a new user, registration. So click the registration. And once you click the registration, you can see the last date is 4 p.m. on 18 September. Last date of certificates uploading, except nativity and date of birth proof, 4 p.m. Again, you need to complete your documents upload also by 18 September. So what are the steps you need to follow? You need to do a registration. Once the registration is done, you need to fill the application, then pay the application fees, upload images and certificates, print acknowledgement. And once you read all these details, you also can download the prospectus, right? You can see the prospectus on the website. So you just check mark all these, read these, of course, and then check mark, and then proceed for registration. Here you need to fill the details. Okay. Your name, date of birth, mobile number, right? Email address, password. access code here given here. All these fill and then register. And once you have registered, then you can come back to this portal again, right? You can click home and then you can come here again and then candidate login. Use this candidate login to enter all the details. Okay, first step registration. The second, you need to fill the application and then you need to make the payment of the fees. Then we go back to the home again. In case if you want to download the prospectus and understand the details, the prospectus is right here. Okay, so you can download the prospectus and go through the details. So this application is both for Keralites, Keralite category 1 and non-Keralite category 2. Okay, typically if you are not living in Kerala, you will be coming under non-Keralite category 2. You can also apply. Okay, I hope this information is useful. Please use this opportunity to submit your application in case if you are interested in Kerala. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.